good, Moto Squad? It's your boy Chris, and we back at it again with another video. Right now I'm heading to Target, trying to go find some stuff for my son. Christmas is in 2 days, so just found not necessarily a gift, but I'm trying to find this controller charger. They got this Nintendo Switch controller, and I cannot find a cord that would work. Cannot find a cord that would work to charge this stupid thing. So we're gonna go on a hunt for it to find it. If y'all new to this channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment down below. If you're new though, this might be the last couple of times, if not one of the last videos you see of this baby. I am looking to upgrade from the 300cc bike class, the R3. If you're a beginner watching this, I can't say this enough. This is an amazing bike. Gas mileage on this baby is spectacular, and you know, you'll have a lot of fun. I mean, you're on 2 wheels, come on, how could you not have a lot of fun? You know what I mean? So this bike has been a lot of fun to me. I had it for like maybe 3-4 months now. So I really appreciate this bike and everything that it's taught me, and you know, just getting used to being on 2 wheels and riding. And you know, I've been riding in the cold. As you see, I got my cold weather gear. I got my riding pants on. You know, I'm not squidding. I don't got no riding boots or anything, or sneakers. I just got on some regular basketball sneakers. You feel me? Sneakers on feet. Karachi. Yeah, man, this is a totally nice truck. Hey, look at it. Thinking about getting a pickup truck too, just so when I want to take my baby on the back, or you know, when we get by, me and Shauna buy furniture and stuff, I can just throw it on the back, and that'll be handy. And you know, just lugging stuff, you know, I still wanted to have it a 4-door, kind of like this. I think I like, as far as pickup trucks though, I like the Ram. I like the Rams, like the Ram Rebels, and you know, I think the Ford Raptor is nice, but I just hear so much stuff about Ford giving problems. But just having the wind blowing in my face and speaking to y'all and dropping some content on this new channel. Since I took my content off my main channel, I'm just making my main channel strictly vlogs. Go check out Finally Famous Vlogs. I changed the channel name on there. And this Moto Loso channel is fairly new. I need to get the subs up. So if you a motorcycle, put me in your chat, put you in your group chat, have all your friends subscribe, so I can get back to where I was with the monetization and just be lit again. Everything be lit. But I'm coming with y'all right now. As far as bikes go, I'm looking at the Gixxer 750. So that's one of the bikes I'm gonna be looking at. I might go look at the ZX6R that they have at this dealership over here, because the Suzuki that I'm looking at is kind of far. I'll save that for another day, maybe this weekend. But we could go look at the ZX6R today, and probably in the next video. I'll just save it for another video. And then I'm looking at the Honda CBR 600 RR. I think that's a good one. That's a good one. A lot of people recommend me getting that on the channel. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think down below for sure, because I want to get a good idea of what people want to see on the channel. You know, a little higher in the price range is the R6. So if y'all want to see it, stick with the Yamaha. Honestly, oh my god, the Yamaha exhaust, oh my god, I feel like I'm so used to the crackle and popping. So I don't know if Honda and the Suzuki have that with their exhaust systems, but oh my god, the way this bike pops from the exhaust, and as you get it up there in the RPM, I love it. I love it. You know what? Before I get to Target, I just happened to be by Paulson's, the Kawasaki dealership. So I figured, look at that's exactly the type of pickup truck I would get. That Ram, oh man, I would definitely get something like that. But let me take off this gear real quick. The Kawasaki dealership, and this is what they got. They got oh, they do have a 750. Oh, they do got one. Damn, this is not on their website. Oh, I might need to test drive this. I like this. And it's the black and red. I wonder if they got any. They got in the Hondas. I was trying to look for the ZX10 or the ZX6R. ZX6R. This is with ABS. This is 2020. This one is a 2019. I'm trying to see which one I like. I like. Nah, but I think I really like this Zigzag though. Don't got no passenger.
How you doing, young man?
Hey, what's going on, man? How are you been?
Another day in paradise.
Man, just look at this thing. Oh my god. If only y'all could know how light this thing is. Like, oh my god. This thing is so light. I need to see if I got the key so we can light up this dash. So let me stand it up real quick. See if I get the back. Oh man, the back. I would definitely get rid of all this. Get the blinkers and everything installed in there. Get one of those flip plates in the back. Exhaust gotta go. Exhaust gotta go. Way more technology in this bad boy. We get the mount. That's good. I could finally have an easy way to mount my phone. $2021. Wonder if they got any without ABS. They got this 2014 Gixxer 750, and I got those front lights, the famous Suzuki front light, those one big bulb in the front. It's pretty nice. I like the black and red. Those are like my two favorite colors. It's the same color as my bike now. And then I like this all black and Ninja ZX. I was looking at the green and black one at first, but this, you already know, the black and red. The black and red though, say less. But I don't know. I don't know about this price though. Let me know what y'all think. What y'all think? ZX? Should I go with the ZX6R or the Gixxer 750? Alright y'all, so I finally made it to Target. Gotta go to the electronics section and find this cord for my Chansey Wancy for the Switch so you can play with Tyler. They be playing. If y'all have kids, y'all know all they do is play Minecraft. So they can be playing Smash Brothers. I think my bro trying to get them like some trying to get them Mario Kart and stuff like that. So you already know. And Daddy got busting up too, so there you know. So the wireless charger is a must. Alright y'all, so I just got out of Target. They didn't really have what I needed. They didn't have the cord I needed. So we're gonna have to check out a couple other places. But I just want to get this one last look of my baby. Let me zip up my jacket. Let's get that cold start for y'all. And let's, Target right now is crazy. Everybody doing their last minute holiday shopping and stuff. So it's bonkers out here. Shorty got on them Skechers. I think she looks like she's going to work. So hopefully that's her work shoes and not her drip. But let's get this cold start for y'all. It's crazy. Yeah, is there a little exhaust? The little exhaust sound good, don't it? Alright guys, this video is not done. About 4 hours later, I just put up this whole bed. It took me dumb long. I put up this king size bed from Wayfair. Whoo, so much work. And we gotta rearrange some furniture. As you can see, this room is small, so we gotta do something with these side tables. But I'm done, and I have some news on this bike, man. On this R3. Oh man, annoying. So I couldn't record everything I'm doing because I'm recording off my iPhone. I don't have like a tripod for my iPhone, but basically I think the R3 has reached this time, man. Took my bike to get evaluated today, and I don't know what they did at Paulson's today when they did the inspection on my bike. I don't know if they did something wonky with my radiator, but this thing, by the time I got home, this thing was leaking. I tried refilling it and stuff, tried putting like a little sealant and stuff on it. I'm gonna see if that holds up, but took off all the fairings and stuff to kind of see what was going on. And I put some brand new fluid in it, and it was like leaking from the bottom. So I don't know what's going on with that. So I don't know. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I'll see if they're open. Go talk to them, and next video I might have something new. So frustrating, y'all. But if y'all like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below what bike I should get next. It's been just a headache. Well, really today's been a headache. Everything else has been great with this bike. Just give me some feedback, man. Peace.